This plane killed more aircraft than any other fighter in history. The Bf-109 has the highest confirmed kill count of any fighter ever built. Eric Hartmann alone, flying nothing but a 109, shot down 352 aircraft. That's more than most entire air forces. One guy, one plane, 352 kills. The 109 was so dominant that by the end of World War II, the top 100 aces in history were almost all flying it. And War Thunder still can't model it right. Subscribe.